If you're looking for how to add or pair a Bluetooth device on Windows 11, this video is for you.
First, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Here, enable the Bluetooth toggle. Also, you can enable Bluetooth from System Tray as well. Now click the Add Device button at the top. A new window will pop up. Choose Bluetooth from the list. Your PC will now start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode, usually by holding down the power or Bluetooth button. If you're not sure how, check the device's manual. Once your device shows up on the list, click its name. Follow any prompts on the screen. Sometimes you may need to confirm a code or press connect. That's it. Your Bluetooth device is now connected to Windows 11. You can manage it anytime under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices.